So y'all, we got some goodies. Elva Hair melting band, super cute. And they gave me a carbon comb, y'all. I love me a carbon comb. And this is a scalp band and then also wig caps. So we got a 5x5, 26-inch, 180 density deep wave wig, y'all. So I just know this is gonna be so pretty. And you know, I'm loving these wear and go wigs I've been getting, okay? Look at this. This is pre-bleached and this is, I don't think this is pre-plugged, but it is pre-bleached. And I could just tell this lace is gonna melt so good, y'all. Look at the lace already melting into my skin. Hold on. Look, the lace already melted into my skin, like bomb. Okay, this is bomb. And the curls on this, so nice. The fullness is so nice. And once I wash this wig and condition it and actually like brush through it really good, this is gonna be so pretty. And I think I want to do a side part, y'all. Actually, no, I might do a middle part. Honestly, I might do both because this is just bomb. We got our adjustable strap in here, a little jelly on the sides to help the wig stick to your head. So fire. Y'all, just look at this before we even start. Where is the lace? Literally. Still can't see it. You can barely see it unless I get. Talk about HD lace, okay? This wig right here. Yes. And I have the hair in 180 density and the fullness is like so good for 180 density. Like this is definitely giving like 200, 250. But I'm about to do a quick and easy side part, you guys. Wear and go wig, so we don't gotta do no glue on this. And this is really true to length, y'all. Like this is only 26 inches, but it's giving 30 inches.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Y'all notice I've been playing around with my setup because I know y'all see my little sign in the background. It's so cute, right? Like my little setup in here, I'm literally loving it so much, y'all. It looks so good. And that sign was not cheap, y'all, so best believe I'm so glad it looks good. So like I just love a wig with some good lace and some nice bleach knots. Once you bleach your knots and you got good lace and you pluck it well, the install is just going to, and then it's just some bomb hair. Like, and this is a 5x5. I love a good 5x5 because you got like enough space and you could just throw it on and go. Like, this is about to be so cute.
a game, it's a rich thing.
Oh my god. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of concealer on my part to help define it. Boom. And on top of that, I am going to use this mascara just to clean up where I over bleach some of these knots. All right, y'all, so I went to the gym and I came back and I'm just refreshing this hair, and this install literally took no time. Like, I don't really have nothing to show y'all because this wig was so fast to put on, and all you do is put some water on here and brush through the curls. Like, I love this unit, y'all. This unit is so quick, it's so easy. Like, literally, it's literally where I go. And they sent me this wig in 26 inches, y'all. But when I tell y'all that this is literally giving 30 inches, like, I'm not joking. I'm about to show y'all in a minute how long this wig is. Like, this wig is long, y'all. Look how pretty this is. Like, look how freaking pretty this is. This hair is so pretty, y'all. Oh my goodness. This is like one of the best wigs I've gotten in a minute, I'm not gonna lie. And then the freaking lace is HD lace. Like, this is a nice wig. Let me show y'all just how long this wig is. You still can't even see all of it. I gotta sit all the way on my bed to show y'all. Like, look at the length of this. Is this giving 26 inches? Or is this giving more like 30 inches? Y'all, it's going to my butt. Look how long it is. You have got to be kidding me. Like, this wig is so freaking pretty, y'all. I'm actually in love. No, this is a good brand, y'all, for real. Because the lace is out of this world. This hair is so long, true to length. And this hair is full too. When I first got the wig and I was looking at it, I thought it looked a little thin. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it looked thin. But now I could just tell that this is a quality wig. I just feel so pretty in this hair. This hair is just so freaking pretty, y'all. And I know I was looking good at the gym because I was getting looks, okay? Looks from everybody, okay? Like, I was getting looks. That's how I know I looked good, period. I would definitely recommend this wig, y'all. The video not even done and I'm already telling y'all right now, this is a good wig. The lace is HD. Y'all see in the first clip when I showed y'all how it just melted into my skin and I didn't put no makeup or nothing on it. Like, and then the hair is long and the curls are like, the curls are really pretty. You know, sometimes you get hair like this and the ends be like straight, or you know, you just don't be looking like curly for real. These curls is pretty and it already came layered. I didn't cut none of this, y'all. Like the way it's falling like this, I didn't cut anything. It's just like the way it came like this. And it's a 5x5. It's wear and go. It's like not a lot of lace, so it's fast to do. You don't have to style like a whole frontal. It has an elastic band inside so you can adjust it to fit your head. I just can't get over how pretty this is. I promise y'all this is a wig that I'll be wearing a lot. I'll be wearing this wig a lot. If y'all follow my Instagram or my TikTok, y'all gonna see me wearing this one everywhere. This is about to be my wig for like the next 2 weeks because this is so nice. This is about to be my everyday wear and go wig. This looks so good. Like, I just can't. Like, this hair is so nice, I can't. So I'm gonna go do my makeup, y'all. Let the hair dry because the hair is literally so fast to do. Like, all you do is literally put the wig on your head. Like, after you of course pluck it a little bit. And I did go in and bleach the knots, even though it kind of already came like bleached a little bit. I like my knots to be over bleached. Like, as y'all can see right here, it's over bleached. That's why it's like a little hole, because I bleached it too much. That's how I like my knots to be. And then I clean it up and I'll fix it with some mascara and everything and makeup. I like my knots to be over bleached. Like, I don't want to see no knots at all. So I did bleach my knots. You don't have to bleach your knots. You could just put the wig on and then put makeup on your part, and that will literally cover the knots, because the knots weren't bad to begin with. But this is this unit, and this is one of the quickest wigs. I literally put this on before the gym and it took no time to do. So now I have time to do my makeup. Like, I'm just going to do my makeup and wait for the hair to dry. And I just love how it looks wet too. The texture is just so pretty, y'all. Like, listen to me when I'm telling y'all, this is a wig that I would buy with my own money. Seriously. Y'all know I get a lot of these wigs and I don't have to pay for them, but this is the wig that I would actually buy. Like, I would recommend y'all to buy this wig. Now, when it comes to the Amazon wigs, I always recommend y'all to buy those Amazon wigs because they're really affordable on Amazon and they ship fast and everything. But this wig right here, this is the wig I recommend for y'all to get if you're looking for like a really like the quality of the lace is, it's an HD lace, y'all, so the lace is gonna melt really good, and the hair is true to length and the hair is full. For it to be 180 density, it's full for 180. So I do recommend this wig. So I'm telling y'all, y'all heard it here, I'm telling y'all to get this wig. Now, I never heard of Elva Hair until they reached out to me, but I don't know why I never heard of this brand, because this wig is amazing. Like, I think good lace really goes a long way. Like, the better the lace is, the less work that you have to do and the more natural that the wig looks. And if y'all want to chat in the comments and ask me questions about this hair, please leave them down below, because I'm advocating for this brand 100%. This is a fire unit, y'all. Okay, y'all, the hair is mostly dry. It's still drying a little bit, but for the most part the hair is dry, and this is what the curls are giving. And like I told y'all, the hair is drying like super duper full. Like, the hair is still like really damp right in here, and it's already drying this full. Like, when I tell y'all this is some full hair,
not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright y'all, that is the end of this video, and here are some clips of how the hair turned out. Hair and makeup done. It turned out so bomb. I literally love this texture and love the fullness of this hair, and the lace on here, y'all, good lace is hard to find out here. Like seriously, real HD lace, you do not come across that often with these hair companies, and this is some real HD lace, and they made sure to make that very clear to me, and now I see it's very clear this is an HD lace, y'all. It melted so good. It blends so good. It's just some quality lace, and I just love this unit, y'all. Like seriously, I've been wearing this wig every day since I got it, literally to the gym and everywhere. And I just love the fullness, the length, everything about this wig. I love, I recommend. And the link to shop this unit will be down below in my description box. So thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment down any questions, concerns, or comments, and subscribe if you haven't for more content just like this. And thank y'all so much for watching this video. Love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.